Hello everybody and welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Today we're going to be drawing baseball, superstar, Hall of Famer, all-time great sports figure Jackie Robinson of the Brooklyn Dodgers. Jackie Roosevelt Robinson was born January 31st, 1919 and was the first African American to play in Major League Baseball in the modern era. Me and my family just recently watched the movie 42. If you haven't seen it, definitely ask your parents, go check it out. I think we watched it on Netflix. It was amazing, inspiring, and it really made us want to draw Jackie Robinson for you guys. Jackie Robinson was one of the most important sports figures of all time, definitely in baseball. If you don't know his story, definitely go learn about Jackie Robinson right now. Six-time All-Star, World Series champion back in 1955, played for the Brooklyn Dodgers, who are now the Los Angeles Dodgers, National League MVP, Major League Rookie of the Year, batting champion, stolen base leader. They retired the number 42 for the Los Angeles Dodgers, and then the number 42 was actually retired by all Major League Baseball teams. Just an all-time great. So let's get started. Get our dark marker here, fine point, find the center of the page, Jackie Robinson's head up here in cartoon format. We're going to draw the bill like this in an arch. Here we go. So draw that arch there. I'm going to do another arch. Connect to a point, okay? And the hat's gonna go up, up. They kind of tilt in, up and down. It's kind of this old style hat from the 1950s. All right, let's draw the face structure coming down, point, and up to that hat area. Right in the middle here, we'll draw some ears. Do some curly hair right here. Curly hair right there on the side. All right, let's do the eyes. We're gonna do some round cartoon eyes because that's how we draw all of our sports figures. A couple of round circles inside that we're going to leave white. These are the highlights of the eyes. A couple of smaller ones down here. Make an arch, and we're going to color the eye black, leaving these smaller circles white because those are the highlights which bring all characters to life. The eyes are very important. And we're drawing these in kind of a Funko Pop / cartoon style just for fun for kids. And then really quick we're going to get a light baby blue color like so. And we're going to color the inside of this area a baby blue. And this just represents maybe the color of the sky reflecting on his eyes, or the stadium lights when they're playing under the big lights in the stadium, and it adds some interest to the eyes. Okay, so next let's do the nose. We're gonna come down from this eye, do a dot, come down from this eye and do a dot, okay? Start at that dot, go down, and end at that dot. Draw a couple like sideways raindrops for the nostrils and some lines around the nostrils like that. Okay, now let's do the mouth. The mouth's going to be a little more challenging, but let's see what we can do. We're going to start, go up, down, okay? Kind of like a flying bird shape. And then start at this corner, go down, and up. All right, So let's draw the bottom lip in here. We'll go inside, we'll draw a dot there, a dot there. And we're gonna do down, bump, bump, and up to that dot. Okay? Now let's do the top lip. Up and down to connect. Okay. And the inside of the teeth, we're gonna do a little dark there and a little dark underneath. There we go. This just shows kind of the shadow of the teeth. It's looking pretty good. Jackie Robinson has these smiling, squinty eyes. We're gonna do a couple of fun wrinkles. When people smile, sometimes they get wrinkles on the side of their eyes. Let's do some eyebrows. So we're gonna do some thick eyebrows, up, down, and then up, down, up, down. Okay, we'll color these in with a black marker right now just to show the eyebrow shape of Jackie Robinson. Like I said, we watched the movie called 42, the life story of Jackie Robinson. Very inspiring, especially if you're a sports fan. Even if you're not a sports fan, honestly, I think everyone should watch that show. It's a great lesson, and it shows Jackie Robinson's life and all he did to break the prejudice that existed at the time. All right, let's do neck here. We'll do a small neck down, to point, to the neck. Here's a shoulder, here's a shoulder, a sleeve, waist, goes up. We can draw a belt right here. And we'll do a baseball. Do a big oversized circle. These are kind of fun. Circle, circle. There's a thumb. There's his arm. This is Jackie Robinson holding a baseball. Over here we'll do him holding a baseball bat. So down, down, over, the thumb, connect up to that forearm. Okay. Now this baseball bat's going to be kind of tilted down here. Here we go. Handle goes down. Still on there. There we go. Make sure we're able to see that. Zoom out a little bit. Okay. See the baseball bat. Go up and in until you meet the thumb. All right, let's do some big puffy pants. Back in the 50s and 40s, they would wear these big baggy pants. So we kind of draw these wide puffy pants. Small skinny socks. Arch, arch. Okay. Now our baseball players, they have these big oversized cleats, kind of like clown shoes. They're fun to draw. So there's the tongue. There's the tongue of the shoe. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna draw his shoes going clear out here, straight across and up to the ankle. Bring that heel down, straight over to the under the baseball bat, up and behind, stop at the baseball bat, start again and connect. All right, so there we have our outline of Jackie Robinson for the Brooklyn Dodgers. We are going to fast forward here. First of all, actually, let's get our red. We're gonna do the number 42 right here. Important number in all of sports, especially baseball. So, let's start with a 2. Down. If you need to, you can pause or fast forward, or not fast forward, but kind of see how we do the two. And it's kind of running off the edge of his jersey. It's okay. Color that number 2 in. And then let's do a 4. So we go down, over, over, down at an angle. Color this number 4 in. And if it's not perfect, like mine is definitely not perfect, it's okay. We're just having fun and learning to enjoy art. All right, so there's the 42. Let's get a blue, bright blue for Dodgers. Now we're gonna do the Dodgers wording up here. So let's do this. We're gonna do this. If you know how to do cursive, that's great. It's even better. D-O. Bring this underline clear down. Color this part in. We're going to leave the jersey white. That's typically in the pictures that I see of Jackie Robinson. And we'll color these words in a little bit brighter blue. Or these letters, sorry, not these words. But... Okay. Since I have my blue marker, we're going to do the sleeves in blue, the hat in blue. We're going to hit fast forward now. Hat's gonna be blue. We'll do the B for Brooklyn at the end. Flesh colored. Leave the jersey white, leave the pants white. Baseball, some blue sleeves, some brown old cleats, and we will have Jackie Robinson colored for you. Thanks for joining us on Hey Kids Let's Draw. Make sure you subscribe. Join us on Instagram or TikTok so you can request players that you want to see. Also, we have a Patreon. You're guaranteed to get your requested player if you join our Patreon. And you can also earn a signed autographed picture, this original, or any of our originals, signed and autographed by the artists here at Hey Kids Let's Draw by joining Patreon. So take a look at Patreon. Look at the link in our description below and you'll see how that works. And thanks for joining us. Fast forward now.